In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving background effect in Google Meet. This can be a fun and dynamic way to enhance your video calls, and it's quite easy to do. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to get your meetings looking more lively in no time. First things first, we need to get to Google Meet via Google Calendar. Head over to your Google Calendar, where you'll find your scheduled meetings listed. If you're wondering why we're starting here, accessing Google Meet through Google Calendar can be a convenient way to join calls, especially when they're already scheduled. So locate your upcoming meeting on the calendar and click on it to open more details. Inside the meeting details, you will see an option that says Join with Google Meet. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've loaded into the Google Meet interface, you're not in the meeting yet, but it's time to set up your environment before you join. On the welcome screen, take a look at the options available, and you'll find an icon labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Clicking on this option will transition you to a menu that displays various background settings for your video. Here, Google offers a selection of fun and interactive backgrounds to choose from, including some that move, adding a unique touch to your presence. Browse through the moving backgrounds available. It might take a moment to scroll through and find one that suits your personality or the mood of the meeting. Once you've decided, click on the moving background of your choice. The preview feature is handy here. As you click, you can see how it looks behind you, allowing you to make sure it complements your needs. After you've selected your moving background, it's essential to lock in your choice and prepare to join the meeting. There's a simple step here. Click Close to exit the Backgrounds and Effects menu. This ensures that your background setting is saved and applied when you join. It might sound like an easy thing to forget, but closing the menu prevents any accidental changes once you're in the meeting. Now, with everything set, the last step is clicking Join Now to enter the meeting. With your new dynamic background, you're ready to make your Google Meet sessions more engaging and lively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your enhanced video conferencing experience.